Hey YouTube, Weather from HMP here. Just got this box. I've been told it's my 24th anniversary gift. What do you think? Not what I had in mind, but I think we can use this. Let's open it up. See what she looks like. Okay. 8x10 glossy color instructions. I think the guys at EMP Shield could probably save a little money by not including this. I'm certainly not going to advertise, but thank you anyway. And here's the critter. There we go. Ground wire, negative and positive. Sticky on the back, attach that to your car. Alright, well I guess all it is now is let's go put her on. Let's go. Okay, when you get started, you want to find all the installation points first. Where is your actual EMP shield going to go? Mine's going to go up in my fender well. Nice flat surface, pre-clean it. Okay, next, your ground wire. So I read instructions and it says that the installation point for the ground wire must be no less than 4 linear feet of conductor material from the battery negative. My battery is right here. My negative is right here. Therefore, I'm going to run my ground wire all the way across to the chassis over there. Okay, so then they want you to install the black next and then the red. So, bear with me as I get everything in position and we're going to get this thing installed. Alright, well, we've got it all put together. Zip ties have been nicely snipped, and of course, plastic's been thrown away properly. Everything is connected properly. And I am just happy that this has come my way. Point being that I don't want to have to use the Leather Express or appropriate somebody's bicycle should an EMP hit. Or, so 2 years ago I never would have thought about this. I mean, a mass coronal ejection, 0.4% or 0.04% of ever occurring and hitting us. No, but since February, we've got shenanigans happening all over the world. I mean, geez, you know, North Korea, China, Ukraine, Russia, the list just goes on. And don't like what I'm seeing. A lot of folks. So here we are. This is our investment in my future, in being able to get home to my family. So think about it. I got links below to EMP Shield, and like if you like it, share, subscribe. I've got miles to go before I sleep.